Hey guys, so on today's episode I'm going to show you how to remove a clutch from your ZO6 LS7 engine, 2008 C6, so stay tuned.
Alright guys, we got a couple of bolts out of the bell housing. Alright guys, this is your bell housing. And this is where your clutch is. So it is a 13 millimeter. So alright guys, so since we have everything out, to be resurfaced flywheel as well. There's, I mean, you can see a lot of, you guys can see a lot of heat fraction from heating up. This clutch is seeing a lot of its, what the car is supposed to be used for, racing and beating the hell out of it. So we'll take care of that as well. Let's pull the flywheel off. Now, okay, let's see if we can try this guy out a little bit. Go guys, these guys are pretty heavy, so just be careful when you pull them off. Don't hurt yourself too much. So you have a guide hole right here where you line up, and then you can access your bearing, the rear bearing, rear center bearing, and this is your crankshaft on the other end. So once everything else comes off, you can access your crankshaft and then go from there.
Hey guys, so already that's how it is, how easy it is to actually get the clutch off of this engine. So it's not really that hard as long as you have your engine out of the car, because if it's in the car, it's really hard to get to the clutch in order to get it out, because you have to remove a lot of driving components in order to get to it, because the transmission is in the back of the car. Then you have a torque tube running to the front, connecting to the transmission, to the clutch, to the engine, and that's how everything goes, it moves. So get the engine out, takes you about 4.5, 5 hours, then get your clutch out, and that's how you replace it. So I want to thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure you hit that subscribe button for the next video. We're going to be working on that. So see you next time.